person asked me how much does it cost to get your car done down here. Well, the price is subject to whatever you have to have done. I'm not going to throw numbers out there. I had a person ask me questions. I really can't give you a number. I can tell you my predicaments, the things that I have done, and or maybe I'll just give you the information as in the person who I dealt with in the name of the body shop, which I probably do it like that. We're coming up on the USA border, Mexico border right now. And you need to have a passport or California ID to get back in the country. They don't charge you or expect you to leave. Sometimes they will, sometimes they won't. As you'll see if you watch the video as it's rolling, you'll see exactly how far I go into this country. I've been in here further, traveled around and hung out and talked to some people and stuff, interviewed a bunch of body shop guys. I even tried a different body shop a little while ago and it didn't work out. And so I've pretty much been staying with the two guys who I've been working with, which is Juan at Economical. I've had 2 vehicles painted over there. A friend of mine had his car done there. Or you deal with Nicholas at the third body shop, and he has he's done right by me also. But at the same time, we got here some new stuff, border patrol, extra stuff going on. With everybody, you have to talk to them and be assured to them that, hey, do my job, do it correctly. Let me let me live, And so I've been like, it ain't cool sometimes, We've talked to people, and you see over here I get in the far left lane, but they can pull you in there to ask you where you're going, all that. And I might get pulled in, I might not. But I let the windows down, open the bed on the truck, like that, so we don't have any problems. And I told my friend Chester, never give direct eye contact with these guys, because they'll pull you in. So don't come down here on a weekend, on a holiday weekend, because you'll have an issue when it's time to go home. The line for people trying to go home, oh man, it can become horrendous. But as you see, we got in pretty simple, pretty easy. Zip the windows back up. I just, give them no reason to really look at me. Come out. Tijuana, there's something about to going on. I see some extra stuff going on. That wasn't here last time I was here, I didn't know it. But the part of town that I go into, observe. I go right here by Revolution, which is, watch out for the big hole. Come up the exit. I think it's called El Centro, the area where I'm going. That's the line to get back to America right there. That line, I've been in that line one time up to 8 hours. So you better have some gas in your vehicle when you come into Mexico, or you'll be subject. Do not get in that line way over to the right that says Rosarito Ensenada. That's a expressway, and that expressway will lock you into the coastal route, and you'll have a problem trying to get back in. It'll take you far out of where you don't want to be. So it's basically a left turn, getting the far left, and come down here, and they're hustling body shops like like they're selling stuff on the street. So I just chose to stick with the 2 people I've been dealing with, and the prices have been right enough where when I'm doing paint and interior jobs, I haven't had any major issues. I've had issues of people trying to hustle you and put subpar work or not doing a quality check before I show up, and then it turns out I gotta come back down here and I wasted my time for nothing. But I think there's my other car over there. I think that I have dealt with people enough to they know where I'm going with this and how I feel about what's going on. See, we're in the first block right here, going the right block right here, and we're here. I meant to come earlier, but I start my late time. My start time was too late. So yeah, so that's how I feel about it all. But yeah, you know, actually I think I should park right there. Oh, somebody took the parking spot I was gonna take. Oh, they got a cone over there. Because we're gonna take a vehicle out on the back of my tow truck, back of my truck, towing it out. And so yeah, so we're gonna come in over here at Economical, and we're gonna see what's going on with the Volkswagen. So let's see. Pause. Let's look at it.
Vamos.
So what you got going over here? So let me ask the question. The previous scenario, is it what that maybe your workers did not follow what you told them to do, or a communication error? What happened? Tell me what happened. What was it? Why did we end up doing this over again?
Sometimes it's a lot of work. We have too many customers.
Too many customers
And
and
sometimes we want to do it everything. And we do it fast and fast and fast. And we can do it the right way. But it's like this.
Okay. We're gonna take that. But now we back on the same page, right? Okay. Let's see what we got here. Did we reattach this? Okay. The fender still can come off though, right?
No, it tied very well.
No, I'm saying I can still take the fender away if I want to. Okay, good. You welded it to the car. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. I showed my father the paint. He was very impressed now. He was smiling. He was like, "Hey, it looks good, right?" I was like, okay. And then we put the lines where they're supposed to be at. Right.
Está cerrado. Let me bring the key.
Okay. I see headline.
Pero a ver, es que están las llaves ahí adentro, dice cómo lo cerraron. Lo cerró José.
Oh yeah. Let's see. Ay. I can't reach it. Okay, we are smooth. We are right there.
This is the new key for the new handle.
So, yes.
Estas son las nuevas.
So- yes, I know. Okay.
Esas traían la caja.
I see one thing that I did not say. I will say it's my fault, maybe. I thought you were going to see it. Was to fix this right here.
This?
Yeah. I thought that would be included.
you never
I
told me.
didn't point that out, but that was something I forgot
Only
to
one
say.
side or both sides?
It's both sides. I like that. Because the seat, you know.
No, es que él nunca me dijo que le arreglara esto. Quiere que se lo arregle.
Let me see. This seat's now in, but it's on both sides. It's ripped right there. That was one thing that needed to be taken care of.
Okay.
What else? That's about it, really. Maybe there should have been an edge around the carpet, but I'll live with that. Besides that, the inside looks pretty good. You know, these could have been shinier, but you got runs right there.
Esa corrida se la puedes arreglar. Tiene una chorreada que hace.
Yeah, on the doors, it's not the same as the outside. You know, if we can fix, I would like to have that fixed.
Ahora sí quedó bien.
What else? These should have got took out. Hopefully, when I pop these out and put the new ones in, I'll try not to move the paint when I do that. But all in all, it looks much more better than the first go around. I would say yes. I vote with you. I say it's acceptable. Just the little deflect, the doors and the inside doors is not to me need to be shiny as the outside. That's what I was expecting that to be shiny like the inside, because besides that, we're good. So as we see y'all, Dad, here we go. We're looking much better.
I think the upholstery inside, maybe 2 hours.
See, they have different body shops down here, and I've never talked to these guys here about painting, but they do good stuff too. Maybe the next project, maybe, you can't judge something without first seeing it. And so, they have to see it first to give you a number. Or you can send pictures, and get a general idea of what's going on. But for the most part, you need to walk it and talk it. So as you see, I came here once as a kid, and my father had his interior done on his Volkswagen in one day. But this was like 30 years ago when I was a kid. And so there's places all around. Also, talking Spanish, you need to put your, that's a plus. You need to have that in your life. And so that's about it. Amigo! So as you see, the Mustang is here. Airing the tire. And so, yeah. My seat in. So yeah. What'd you think? The Volkswagen turned out much better after they fixed it, huh? The Volkswagen turned out much better after they fixed it. Yeah. Yeah, now it's good. Before it was bad. Yeah. I'm gonna call him right now. Oh, to go fix that? Yeah, they need to fix that over there. Oh, and they need to fix this door. The seat on this car needs to get fixed. That's part of the deal right here. The driver's seat has a rip, and they need to fix the upholstery in the Volkswagen over there. But I just came to take a look, see what's going on. So this is Little Scrappy. Little Scrappy was in an accident. Little Scrappy got damaged. I went on another person referring me to a different body shop, other people that I'm not really dealing with. And I had a quarter panel put on because he was damaged on this side. But the guy took forever to do the work, which was actually last December. So it's been a year this car has been out of sight, out of mind. And so I was like, man, this is unbelievable. So my engine detail is all bad now. I'm like, this is unbelievable how I'm looking. Dustier than dusty. But yeah. But this will be coming back soon in the near future. They say in 3 months on this to get me back right. And so we're like, okay, we'll be okay.